Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is VizFrog, and today I'm going to show you how to download Arduino and how to set up before you start coding. And I am going to show you some basic coding that you need for your LED. Let's get started. So right here, we have this Arduino software. Right here, there's a link. I'm going to put a link down in the description. And you need to scroll down. Right here, there's all the version of the Arduino that you could use. Like if you have a MacBook, then you need to right here there's a version for a MacBook. And if you have a Windows, you can use this one that click on here that has a Windows. For me, I just have a MacBook, so I'm going to click on this Mac OS. And right here, you can just click on just download and keep just typing just download. And right now you have download. And I had already downloaded, so I already have my Arduino. Every single time you open a new sketch on Arduino, you can see like there's two code that you already been coded on here. Right here, there's two racket that is for the end and the start. So it's like where you started the code and where you end the code. So you need to put all your code in that racket, where else will not be working. And right here is Arduino. You can tell that the 3 LED here that is coded by the last videos is already here. 3 LED, but today we're only going to use like one of them. And all you need to do, you can tell that there's like numbers on my right side. And there's like 1 for 0. You don't have to worry about the 0. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and until the 13th. There's all the way until the 13th. So we're going to you need to put a wire in the number 1. And the 1 until there's a middle line, and the middle line counts to the second line. You need to put the other side of the wire right over there. You need to put the LED in the edge of each side of the board. So right in there. And this senior, you need to put 1 in the negative and 1 in the, so you count it by like the outside. So you count it by 2 right here. 1, 2. And right here, there's my USB cables that I already says on the last videos. And right here, if you are like a MacBook user, that there's like where like your computer doesn't have like a type A portal, so then you need like a portal transfer, I guess you can say that. And you need to use your change your type C to a type A portal. So right here, there's a type A, and we can just put this in here. And then put the other side over here, and just this one just to your computer. And right here on the top, you can see there's a upload and the verify. Verify is simply means that before you upload your code, you have to check if your code is correct. And upload, it just simply means like upload your code to your Uno, which is your robot's brain. And all that before that, at the start, you need to start setting your Arduino. So right now I already set it up, but I'm going to show you how to set it up. So right here, there's 3 of these. For me, it's like this last one, but maybe it's not the same thing for you, so you might need to try it. So mine is just the 3rd one. I'll just click on the 3rd one. Wait, right here. And right here, I have my robots. Right here is the brain, and you can see there's saying that this is called Uno. So you have to type right here, Uno. Maybe like the first one that pop out on your page that can be pressed. Maybe it's just that one. So mine's Arduino Uno. That's all it can say. So I need to press OK. After that, this is all the setting up that I need to do. And let's start coding. Right here you need to put a int. This is for like your setup for your LED to set up and give a LED a name, maybe any name. I would just like maybe write LED for my first LED. And if you have like 2 or 3 LED, maybe you can just name it as a LED 2, LED 3. And right here you can see my first LED has pointed to the number 1 portal. So you have to maybe write a equal. So LED, this first LED equals to the first portal over here, right over here. And for your end of the line of your code, you need to end with these symbols. And if you have more LED, you need to add like maybe, I will just write like this. Give you an example. Like if you have 2 LED, you need to write another int and another LED. Maybe, and you cannot like name 2 LED for the same name. So I have to maybe like another number. So I would just write LED2. And you can see my second LED has pointed to the second portal right over here. So I need to write 2 here for my portal and end with a symbol. Right now, and right here is the first setup for the LED. And the second setup right here, you need to put pin mode. So your pin mode right over here. A rocket. You need to put a rocket, like all the stuff like how to open the LED that you need to like put in the rocket. And this pin mode, you have to put your LED name in here. So mine just LED right here. And we need to put a output. Now which is can be turned on and turned off. If you don't have a pin mode, that means you cannot turn on a LED even though you have the rest of code coded perfectly. And you can tell that I put all of these 2 lines of code in this rocket. So that means like my code can work perfectly. But like if these 2 ints are a special one, and there's other special one that you don't need to put a rocket to, that will explain it maybe like next along the way of the next few videos. And right here we're going to start coding, opening up the LED and close the LED. So the start we have to write a digital write. So DIGITAL and the capital W and the right and the rocket. I need to put your LED name. So mine is just LED. And then I want to turn it on first. So I need to write the high. And if you want to turn it off the LED, you need to have a low, a capital low. Mine just a capital high. And right now you have to put delay. Delay is simply meaning about like how much time you want to wait this LED to light up or light down. But first you have to have a digital write LED high and a digital write LED low. So like how much time you had to wait to until the next code doing the code. So right now I want to make it to 500. This is not like a second meaning. I'm not going to wait for 500 seconds. It just means like the millisecond. But like in here, 500 means millisecond. Like all the number means millisecond in delay. So if you want to wait for like 1 second, then you need to write in here 1000. And we're going to put our next part, which is the digital write LED low. So like when to turn it off. So right now you can see that I have been coded in here. I digital write LED low, but I haven't coded delay yet. So if you didn't code the delay at the second part of it, it won't turn it off. And like if you don't have this low code, then if you only have like a high code, that means even though you have a delay, a countdown, it was still going on forever because you only have one code. It will just keep repeating. Right now, we're going to add the delay. 500 also. And that is our first code. And there's a second way. If you don't want to wait so long, you can just put a LED high and an LED low. So it will just like turn on and turn off. So you don't have to wait like a 0.5 second or 1 second. So let's try it out right now. We need to put our USB cables in here. And this, we can move my computer right over here. I'll show you guys clearly. And before we start, as I say, you have to upload first to check it if it's correct. And right here, I have done coding the code over here, and we're going to verify it first to check if our code is correct. And it's all correct. And now we're going to upload it now. And it's not uploading. And you can see it right here that the LED is flashing on and off. And if you want to make it much funner, maybe you can do like a pattern. And now maybe I could do a pattern, which is like, I could do like when the blue LED is light up, the red LED is turned off. And when the red LED turn on, the blue LED will turn off. And I will do this for a little bit time and I'm going to show you guys after. And right here, you can see that I add 2 more code. The reason why I didn't make another section for these 2 code is because I want them to do it in the same time. If I don't want them to be doing it in the same time, then I will split them into other section. So let's verify first and check if it's correct. It's all correct, and now we can upload it. Okay, we'll wait. And you can see right here that I did a simple example of a pattern. So right here, when the blue LED turn on, the red one will turn off. And when the red one turn on, the blue one will turn off. So this is only the 2 sets of coding. And right here is like you can see, I coded when digital write LED 1 high and with the digital write LED 2 low. So that means like the first set of it is mean like when the LED high and the LED 2 is low. That is the first set. And the second set is just like digital write LED low and digital write LED 2 high. So it just simply means that when LED is low, which is off, then the LED 2 is high, which is on. And this is how you make simple LED working going on and some pattern. Maybe like later on you can do like a really fun pattern. Like I could say a snake pattern, which is you making a circle, a LED circle, and will go like maybe like that would be like I don't know how much LED set. So that means that how much set of coding that you need. And just going around. And that is all I'm going to show you in this video. Bye everyone. And remember to subscribe my video. Bye.